Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Windows version and saving any open work. This avoids lost progress. Once done, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings to open the control panel for screens. You should note the current resolution and orientation so you can revert if needed. This provides a safety reference. Make sure multiple monitors are identified correctly. Select the one you want to change. Now proceed to Resolution to start the actual size adjustment without delay. You select a new resolution from the drop-down, pick the recommended value for best clarity or a lower one to make items appear larger. Once chosen, check Advanced Display Settings to adjust scaling and refresh rate if text or apps look off. This fine-tunes sharpness and motion. Click Apply and watch the preview. Windows gives you 15 seconds to confirm. If it looks good, confirm to keep it. Otherwise, it will auto-revert, and you can try another setting or adjust scaling next. You finalize by tweaking scaling to make text and apps comfortable. Use 100%, 150% as needed, and sign out or restart to apply some changes. If the resolution you need is missing, update your graphics driver or roll back recent updates because drivers control available modes. When a monitor isn't detected, reconnect or swap the cable, check input selection on the monitor, and restart the PC. One troubleshooting tip: if the display goes blank, wait. The system will auto-revert in 15 seconds, letting you safely recover.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.